Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which is asking us to find out the number of digits in 18 power 50. We know that to solve this problem, what we will do, we will think about log base 10 and we will write down this number in the place of argument 18 power 50. Now, what we have to do, we have to simplify things. So can I write down 18 as 3, 9 twos are 18, 3, 3 and 2 power 50. Now can I write down 3 square? So can I write down 3 power 100 into 2 power 50 base 10. You know that log mn is nothing but log m plus n. So log 3 power 100 plus log uh, 2 power 50 base 10. Now you know that if anything is in the power of argument will come at coefficient. So can I write down 100 log 3 base 10 plus 50 times. Can I write down 50 as 100 by 2 so that multiplication becomes easy. 2 base 10. Okay, now simplify things. So you know that log 3 is 0.4771. Now 100 by 2. You know that it is 0.3010. Correct? So can I write down this thing as 47.71 plus it is 30.10 by 2. We can also simplify the thing as 47.71 plus 15.05. Now simplify things. We will have 6, 7 plus 2 and it is 6. Correct? Now you know that the number of digits is what? Number of digits is characteristic plus 1. And you know that the characteristics will be what? You will imagine yourself on the number line at 62.76 and you will move towards negative left hand direction in the search of integer. So you will find out first integer as 62 plus 1. So it will become 63. Therefore the required number is 63. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.